Good morning, it's Dave at All Things Important Reviews. Please smash that like button, please smash that subscribe button for more awesome watch content. Little wristwatch check. I've got on my wrist today the GST-B400-D. This is a Gshock 200 meter water resist tough solar in the stealthy dial with the dark grey dial with dark grey indices. Beautiful. Now I actually decided that I want another Gshock, but with the less stealthy dial, and when I saw the deal come up online I just had to pounce. Boom. Standard Gshock box, standard international warranty, check out all this wrapper. Now this is, wow, this is the same watch that you've just seen on my wrist, but this is the just the GST-B400-1AER with no D, so it doesn't have a bracelet. However, I've been told the rubber band is super comfortable, and secondly I can put the band on, the bracelet on from this and switch it up, because I don't like the fact this is super stealthy and I can't see the time too great. But that looks pretty beautiful. This is tough solar, so you only have to change the battery probably once every 10 years. It recharges with fluorescent or non-fluorescent light. I love the red little markings on the outside chapter ring. Does have a negative dial, this one does also. Both negative, but you can see how much more legible those hands are. And I'm probably going to put a bracelet on it. Let's just get it on my wrist. This watch is super light, by the way. It's only about 160 grams with a bracelet, so without a bracelet it'll be probably about 80 grams, if that. Yeah, that's comfortable. Beautiful. As I said, I'm not a rubber band guy on these watches. I prefer them to have a bracelet, so 100% I'm going to whack it on a bracelet. But that is light and it is comfortable. Yeah, the band is more closer to, although it's not exactly the same, but it's more closer to the B200 band. Now the B200, actually I've got the B200 here. This is the B200. The B200 on a band, okay, is super comfortable. This is the most comfortable on a band. But this is even lighter. Check the light out. Yeah, beautiful. But it needs a bracelet. They should have released this model with a bracelet as well, definitely. They've only released it with a rubber band, but they've released loads of other versions with bracelets, and I'm still waiting for my Japanese import. So yeah, bit of residue there on the bezel. I also prefer I don't prefer just a straight flat bezel. I prefer it to be patterned personally, but because this shows scratches more, this will show scratches more, but it's not a problem. I'm going to keep it as a beta with a bracelet, definitely. Beautiful watch, fantastic value. I picked it up just over 200 quid, which you know, the RRP is more like 299, so I've got a pretty good deal there, like 30% off. So yeah, cheers for checking my channel out. I've got loads of AliExpress watches coming in. Let's get to 1,000 subs. Let's go.